Carolyn with Coldwell Banker in Laguna Beach. I am so excited to bring you my new listing, 245 Calliope Street, number 2 in Laguna Beach. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, 1,502 square feet, offered for $1,250,000. This home is located in the famous Laguna Beach Hip District, right across PCH from Laguna's world-renowned beaches, surf and sand resort, Bluebird Park, shopping, restaurants, and more. This private gated community only has 15 homes, each having their own dedicated 2 underground parking spots. Now that's prime real estate. This home has been updated with new paint throughout, hardwood floorings, new window coverings, bathroom updates, and more. This unique unit has an abundance of outdoor living space with a private wraparound tiled patio that backs up to a green belt. Whether this is your primary residence or vacation home, this peaceful retreat is a perfect place to experience the Laguna Beach lifestyle and all it has to offer. Call me today to schedule a private viewing, 949-412-2472. Have a great day.